Are you still paying your bank just to hold your own money? Monthly fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees? It's a trap. As a former banker, I saw thousands of people lose money simply because they chose the wrong checking account. Today, I'm giving you my simple 3-point checklist to ensure you choose the best account and stop giving away your hard-earned cash. This is the Ex-Banker's Guide. Point 1. Zero monthly fees. No excuses. Your number one priority is finding an account with zero monthly maintenance fees. In today's world, there is absolutely no reason to pay a fee just to have a checking account. Many big traditional banks will try to lure you in, but they often have hidden requirements, like maintaining a high minimum balance. The Ex-Banker's Directive. Look at online banks and credit unions. They almost always offer truly free checking accounts with no strings attached. If your bank is charging you a monthly fee, it's time to fire your bank. Point 2. A massive, fee-free ATM network. What's the point of a free account if you're paying $3 every time you need cash? Your second checklist item is a massive, fee-free ATM network. Before you sign up, check the bank's website. Do they belong to a large network like Allpoint or MoneyPass? These networks give you access to tens of thousands of ATMs across the country, located in places like Target, CVS, and Walgreens. The Ex-Banker's Secret. Some of the best online banks will even reimburse you for any ATM fees you get charged, anywhere in the world. That's the ultimate flexibility. Point 3. Excellent mobile app and features. In 2025, your bank is not a building. It's an app on your phone. Your third and final checklist item is an excellent mobile app. Your bank's app should be fast, secure, and easy to use. It must have features like mobile check deposit, where you just take a picture of a check to deposit it, and easy bill pay. Read reviews of the app in the App Store or Google Play before you commit. The Ex-Banker's Tip. A great app saves you time, and time is money. A clunky, slow app is a sign of an outdated bank. Choose modern. So there you have it. The Ex-Banker's 3-point checklist. Zero fees, a huge ATM network, and a great mobile app. Don't settle for less. If you're ready to optimize your finances, one small step at a time, subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, is your current checking account passing this test?